सेम आयज वेन्झी मेळपाक गेलो तुमकां भुरग्यांक घेवन फायनल इयराच्या.
It is something represented regarding that result in the university declarations. हांव हेजे कडेन उलयलां म्हणजे वायस चान्सलराकडे भुरग्यांच्या रिजल्ट बेगीन डिक्लेअर करण्याच्या संदर्भात.
तुम्ही सीएमाक मेळपाक आयिल्ले.
होय. सो लास्ट वीक तुमचें जातलें आमी एक प्रेसा माध्यमांतल्यान आनी बाय ईमेल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगलें की जे थर्ड इयर भुरगे आहाय फायनल इयराचे नॉट थर्ड इयर फायनल इयरा जे भुरगे आहाय तेमगे जो रिजल्ट आहा थ्रू अ सर्क्युलर इट इज शोन दॅट द रिजल्ट इज गोइंग टू बी डिक्लेअर्ड ऑन द 28th of September. तेंगे जुलया म्हयन्या एक्झाम काबार जातली आनी जुना कॉमेज जावन जुलय इट वील गेट ओवर. बट इफ यू गिव्ह द रिजल्ट ऑन द 28th of September ते भुरग्यांक स्कोप उरना मुखार मास्टर्स करतलो मुखार तेंगे शिकप खूंय भायर वचपाक सोदताय दे डोंट हॅव स्कोप बिकॉज फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ ऑक्टोबर देर इज अ प्रोसेस वेर यू हॅव टू ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट. सो आयडियल टाइम इज मिड ऑफ ऑगस्ट or by 20th or 27th of August maximum they should able to get their results. So there are a lot of technicalities where the university tries to say that e paper pending ahay time enough na but ye time enough na ani tenko staff uni aha wo tenk chod काम करू पडटा म्हूण आख्खे ओरो स्पीडेर जातले. 28 September if the final year students get their results this entire academic year goes to a waste. They have to start doing their masters next academic year. So yeah, आम्ही representation दिले. CM has given them a good word. I think they will speak.
Yes. So the CM has told us that he will personally take this issue into account and make sure that the results are released by August. And this will help the students because they won't have to wait an entire year and be unemployed for an entire year. So yeah, we're hoping that it happens within August and we get our results and the students want to pursue their masters or apply for jobs can get it done directly without having to wait an entire year.
This year he is assure you.
Sorry?
This year the result will be.
This year the results were tentative results. The dates are 28th of September, but we want it released by August.
And I would like to thank first MLA Venzy for supporting us regarding this matter. And CM sir has assured us that he will look into it. And I believe he will genuinely help us regarding the preponement of the results. And I also believe that this should help the students also, those who wanna go for the masters, as well as off-campus placement, not just on-campus placement. So it will benefit for everyone. And a lot of students are not here because they are preparing for the internals and placements, so they are not here. But we are here as a representatives. So I believe CM sir will help us regarding it. Thank you.
So basically तुम चोयल जाल्यार हे रिप्रेजेंटेशन दिवन आमी याद करपा जाय. It is part of a planning process. Now with the new syllabus and the new system coming into place this year and next year, हे दोन्ही वर्ष आम सांबाळपा जाय. We have to put maximum effort and give their results as early as possible. Within 30 days corrections करून they have to get their results. कित्याक next year exam and this year. After that then problem ना. मागीर तेंगे तो 13 month syllabus की जातलो. So then they are in a better position those batches. So this is the problem with our system. We are trying to be lazy. The system wants to be lazy and system age laziness lagon all the students and the entire all over Goa final year students are going to fall in trouble and they have to waste their year. So Maksada, we totally do not like this way of thinking. I think they should be proactive rather than the students coming out. Attenge exam comes next week so they are ready for preparation for the exams. And aaj te ingella hai. So CM Sanglia, he has understood the topic. He has also spoken to the chancellor. He has spoken to the team and he has told them that this is the situation. You cannot leave it for September. कि ते जाय ते करा. तुक मुनीस सुबेज जाय तुक extra time काम करपा जाय. You work, but make sure that the results are coming by mid or in the month of August.
तुम्ही chancellor कडे उलयले as a governor is the chancellor of this.
No, not the governor. हांव उलयलां. I have also spoken to the dean. आणि तेंकोडे उलोवन हांवें सगळें लास्ट वीक उलोवन रेडी करून दवरलें. Just that we could not manage to come and meet the chief minister, but today we have met him and he has also spoken personally. So the topic is known. The topic is known to the university. They are aware of the topic. Just that they have to put additional effort and not to be lazy and make sure that they get the results. I'm gonna wide olopanaka, but you cannot waste one full year of the entire students in Goa who are going to appear for the final year and get their results on 28th September. Not possible. It's totally not acceptable. Or speeded korpa jay na burgyale. So they have to come down. They have to come up with a new circular and get us the revised dates. That is he has already spoken. So he has given assurance ki te kartale mun. Given assurance kartale mun circular by sol mutri assurance confirm zali. The circular has to come. The date has to change from 28th September to maybe 20th of August or 27th of August. 1 month poil tem korpa.